20,000 homes in Las Vegas plunged into darkness in minutes. Here's what happened. In less than an hour, fierce winds snapped poles and left thousands without power. Good evening. I'm Emily Johnson with News 24/7 USA. A sudden windstorm hit Las Vegas today, knocking out power to over 20,000 residents. We're breaking down how it unfolded and what comes next. At around 2:45 p.m. local, gusts up to 60 miles per hour tore through Clark County, uprooting trees and toppling power poles. NV Energy reports over 20,000 homes lost power in under an hour. Emergency crews responded quickly. Major intersections like Tropicana and Pecos were shut. Residents shared tense stories, from infants losing air conditioning in sweltering heat to elderly neighbors sitting in darkness. The Clark County Office of Emergency Management is coordinating with NV Energy, advising everyone, treat power line zones as live. With no rain but fierce desert gusts, dust reduced visibility, making travel hazardous. As of 8:30 p.m., power was still out for roughly 11,000 customers. Restoration could take hours per NV Energy's assessment that significant damage will slow progress. Stay with us for live restoration updates and tell us in the comments if you're affected. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss what's next.